Okay, where else can I use a 6 times table? As we go down this sheet, we'll get to see. 24, 6 times 4. 6 times 4, and they add to 10. 42, 6 times 7. And one of them has to be negative because it's negative. This is positive 1, so that has to be negative. Plus 7 minus 6, it says. Notice your rules. When the signs are the same, add. When they're different, take the difference. Take the sign of the largest one. Sign of the largest one is positive here. Okay? 54, the one that nobody understands. 9 times 6, or 6 times 9, whichever way I want to look at it. And they add the negative 15. Negative and a negative. This rule over here. Add them. Add them, negative 15. Two negatives make it positive. One goes this way, one goes the other way. 6 times 2 is 12, or 6 and 2, or 4 and 3. What I'm going to do here for 12? 6 and 2. Let's try 6 and 2. And it's positive, so this has to be negative. That gives me 4. This rule over here, which went over here. Okay. And the product, C1 negative, keep it. Okay. This over here can be demonstrated like this. Okay. So as we look at this, it's this in a different point of view. When you're given 54 in this, 9 times 6. We'll look at 42. 6 times 7. 6 and 7 is 13. So 6 and 7, so I can say x plus 6 and x plus 7. I don't have to put the brackets. Okay, or I can, whatever you want. And 6 and 7 is 13. Okay, the second one. Oh, I have this in the wrong place. It belongs over here. Okay, so over here, now I want, here again, 6 times 4, or what's this one going to be? I want to be 6 and 4, the difference with 2. I'll put the 6 over here. X plus 6, x minus 4. Okay, plus 6 minus 4, this rule over here. Okay, I have a positive, this is bigger than that. And 6 times 4 is negative 24. And the third one, 36 times 5. Okay, x and 6 and x and 5. Now let's worry about the sign. They're both negative, negative, and negative. 2 negatives multiplied make it positive. 2 negatives add as they hit to 11. Okay, that was called factoring. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is expand. It means we're going to multiply, expand. Okay, so we're going to multiply this over here. X times x is x squared. 6 and 6 is 12. And 6 times 6 is 36. Okay, let's do this one over here, going this way. So x times x is x squared. And this is 7 and 4. This becomes plus 3x, plus 7 minus 4. And 7 times 4 is 28. C1 negative, keep it. Okay, let me change the color again. This one over here, 6 times 7 is 42. X times x is x squared. 7 minus 6 is plus x. And 6 times 7 with 1 negative is negative 42. Let's do this one over here. 6 and 6, x times x is x squared. Plus and minus 6 is 0, minus 36. This is a difference of 2 squares. X times x and 6 times 6. A difference of 2 squares. Okay. This combination over here, x times x is x squared. Plus 5, or minus 5 and plus 6 is plus 1x. And 6 times 5 is negative 30. 1 negative, keep it. Okay, this guy over here, 5 and 4 is going to be 9, and 5 times 4 is 20. So 6x times x minus 4 and minus 5 is 9x. This rule over here, okay? And 5 times 4, 2 negatives, one this way, one the other way, 20. Okay, that's a wonderful exercise tied into this over here. If you can do this, you can do this.